This is the completed notebook for Chapter 6, and you can download this to print it if you want to. It is my intellectual property, and I am giving you permission to print my notes. Remember that any problems in this book that are not in my handwriting are the intellectual property of McGraw-Hill, because they are the publishers of the books that we used for this course. So you are free to print my notes in this book, and you can do that as a PDF file. Any PDF printer will do that for you. I do want to show you just a few things about how this is organized. I went back and put the lessons into chapters. Into lesson numbers for you. So, chapter 6 is the chapter in the book. Chapter 6.1 or lesson 6.1, here are all the notes that I did in that lesson. And then here's 6.2, here's 6.3, and then here is 6.4. The last two sections are blank. There was nothing in those, so I just left them in there. I didn't want to mess up the way the notebook functions. But you can also find the exercises in these respective sections. So the textbook examples and the exercises that I worked in the notebook are in each of these areas. Again, this goes along with that companion book and exercise book that your teacher gave you. But the notes that I have written, you may print those to use for your studies. You do not have permission to sell them or put them on any kind of other website, but just for your personal use.